know, they know, they know. You're going up against the greatest, and it's gonna get messy. If you wanna try to test me, you're going up against the greatest. Take a swing, you're gonna miss me. Yeah, it's going down in history. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, yeah. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest.
Some people live for the
Si
fortune.
Nicole ay pangatlong apo ko si Nicole. And mula nung isilang siya, ay sa akin na siya lumaki.
Kailangan mo munang awayin ng kailangan mo na makipag-debate sa kanya ng mga ilang minuto. Pero at the end po, makikinig naman talaga siya sa opinion mo.
Some people think that the physical things define what's within.
Nicole, since then, favorite ko na yung name ng Nicole. Then, Ashley, para medyo class, yung American name. Pero both those names are my favorite talaga.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but I don't want everything, but everything means nothing.
Hi Nicole, happy 18th birthday. We just wanted you to know that we are just here for you, me and your mommy, reaching your dreams to guide and support you. Dito lang kami. Sabi nga ni mami mo, lagi mo akong attorney, di ba?
Ito ni Mami. No matter what ko naman meron tayo ngayon, sana yung forgiveness, nandyan palagi, acceptance, and then, alam mo yung respect, nandun palagi. Love na love kita. Love na love ka namin kita.
I just wish you to be happy and always be grateful because you are blessed. If I could describe this night, I could say that this is a blessed surprise. Full of surprises po ang gabi nito kasi ako rin na-surprise ako.
Sa family natin, sa family Cristova, na-witness mo anak na nandito pa kami na patuloy na nagmamahal sa iyo. Ang mga blessing na dumadating sa iyo, anak. Salamat po sa Panginoon. At wala na akong masabi kundi mahal na mahal ka namin ako.
Wish ko sa'yo ay laging i-guide ka ni Lord, i-blessing, tsaka hindi lang sa'yo, kundi sa buong pamilya mo.
Pag may problema sila na hindi nila mailabas, nagiging stress, depression, at nakakagawa sila ng bagay na hindi maganda. So, yan yung wag na wag mong gagawin. Pag malungkot ka, mag-pray ka lang palagi at tawagan mo lang yung mami mo, yung daddy mo. I'm sure nandyan sila lagi para sa'yo. Happy birthday and God bless.
Ang wish ko lang para sa kanya is maging malapit kay God, number one. And mapagmahal sa magulang. Then, the last is pagbutihin ang kanyang pag-aaral para sa kanyang future. Love you na.